Hello, and welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the largest crypto channel and the largest community of BitSquad in all of crypto. If you like money and you like crypto, then you'll like this channel, because every day on this channel I show you how to make money in crypto. And you know, guys, we're really starting to get to a point where the smoke and mirrors is getting to a fever pitch. Let me tell you what I saw today. Today we're going to be talking about dishonesty in media in crypto, and really in the larger world, and how that's playing into crypto right now. And I'm going to share with you guys a very interesting conversation I had with a BitSquad member I met last night here at Miami Beach. So, and I will be coming home today. We'll be back to regular schedule tomorrow. I had a little snafu with the video yesterday, so I apologize about that. I had two videos released at the same time. I think it was my fault. But anyways, guys, here's the situation. I was just, you guys know how I make these videos. I get in front of my phone, I hit record, I start talking, but there's actually things that you don't see that I'm doing before I do them. I read articles. I look at articles. I know this is crazy, but I do some research. So I started doing some research today, and I started looking. I just searched Bitcoin or crypto. I can't remember which one it was, and I hit news. I started going down, looking at all the different stories. I kid you not, there were two stories that were literally next to each other. One of them said, Bitcoin going to 200K this year. Options traders predict $200,000 Bitcoin this year. The very next story, 60% chance Bitcoin hits $10,000 in 2021. And, you know, it really struck me, because do you guys remember that there's a video, it was a viral video where it had like 30 different newscasts and they were all saying the exact same thing at the exact same time? It's almost like someone's controlling that. Someone's telling them what to say. And one thing that's been interesting about crypto is we have stayed out of the mainstream for so long. Really at the fever pitch of 2017, we were starting to get onto CNBC, some other places, but that was it. But now what we're seeing is we are seeing crypto in the mainstream. So right next to those stories was a Forbes article, I believe it was, about JP Morgan saying that the bottom is not in, it's going to go down much further, saying that you need to sell all your altcoins because Bitcoin dominance has got to get back up to 50% before it even starts to move. And I just want to, like, I've been thinking about what my contribution is lately. What am I going to do? Come out here and give you a top 5 coins to make $1 million on in June? You guys think that's happening? Doesn't seem like it's happening. So I've really been thinking about my contribution to crypto, and as we have over 4 times the total number of followers that our next closest competitor in crypto has. In all reality, as far as content creators, you got some people like Justin Sun and Vitalik. They got like about half what we have, but they're not really content creators. They contribute more on the project side. In terms of YouTube and content creation and Twitter and TikTok, we're literally 4 times bigger than the next guy. And, you know, I really feel a very strong obligation to push this space as far as I can push it. I think that's becoming clear to me now, what my role is here, and what your role is supposed to be as well as we continue mainstream adoption. But I met a guy last night. I'm not going to say his name, and I'm not going to say who he works for, and I'm not going to say a lot of stuff I'd like to say. But I've already been thinking about all this over the dishonesty in media. I mean, the push and the pull on what are you supposed to do. And I just come back to this. Don't sell your Bitcoin. Don't sell your Ethereum. Don't sell your Bitcoin. Don't sell your Ethereum. You want to trade other stuff? Do it. Do not sell those two things. Those are assets, and they're going to make you a lot of money over time. There is no question about it. You do not want to be selling. You do not want to have weak hands. Okay? But here's the conversation. He works for a very large company in crypto. And we're talking about people with hundreds of millions, billions. We're talking about big, big, big people. Okay? And he told me, he said, you know, he had a conversation with some of the people there. He's a great, great dude that I met. And now these are people who you would recognize some of these names if I said them, but I'm not going to do that because I want to keep Identity Anonymous. He said, they told me it was either at the end of last year or the beginning of this year. This is all you have to do to get rich. This is it. This is all you have to do. Every month, week, day, whatever period you choose, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum. Do not sell it. Those two things. There are people out there trying to get all the Bitcoin, all the Ethereum right now. They're trying to control the financial system. They want you to sell. And so when you see these stories that are confusing, there's a reason why even a lot of the best TA guys out there right now are just spitballing. They're just shooting blanks right now. Because the market's not doing what it's supposed to be doing right now. You gotta ask yourself why. Why is that? Why are these narratives out there being pushed now even by mainstream media about crypto? It's all about control. It's all about getting you to sell your Bitcoin, Ethereum. And I'm super excited to make some more videos about this next week because these are some things we've got to talk about. And it was just amazing to me how much what he told me lined up with what I've been telling you guys this last week. There's a reason for that. So there's some connection here, okay? Don't get dismayed right now. It doesn't matter what the price of Bitcoin does for the rest of June. Honestly, it doesn't matter what it does for July. You hold until they pry it out of your dead hands. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.